IVM.
Hi everybody, just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy, actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with sailors. Did you know that sailors would use knots instead of locks to keep their belongings safe? Centuries ago, they would use a rope and lock their belongings with it. Each sailor would come up with his own unique sequence of knots. This unique sequence would deter others from trying to open it and would immediately inform the owner if someone had tried tampering with it. Locks have always been a need for people in power. And this is why it is not surprising that the earliest proper locks in the world were discovered in Egypt. These locks were dated 4,000 years ago. Since then, the quality and the evolution of locks has been fueled by the quality of the lock pickers. Which actually reminds me of a funny story. There was this parrot that had actually learned to pick locks from his cage and would do it and escape regularly. Can you imagine a parrot? I'm just visualizing a little claw coming out and going catch, 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 and opening up the lock. Anyway, the other day, my parents and I were returning back to our Mumbai home from the farm. And it's a good 2.5-hour journey. By the time we were 10 minutes away from our destination, all of us wanted to use the toilet. We were in a hurry and fretting and waiting and waiting. And as I parked the car, we all made a beeline for the lift. We jumped up and down, waiting for the elevator to get to us. And in this rush, my dad and I both reached for the door and got into each other's way, almost banging our heads against the door. Then, when we finally got into the elevator, normally we are a little bit more synchronized, like a well-oiled machine. But today, it was all haphazard, and we got into each other's way. Then, we got off on our floor and reached for our keys. And the only thing standing in the way between us and the toilet was that front door. We reached into our pockets for the keys, and as we pulled them out, we fumbled and they fell to the floor. Then I had to reach down, pick it up, and then try the keys. By now, my brain had stopped working. And as a result, I ended up tying 3 different times, 3 different keys before I got the correct key into the keyhole. Finally relief. Have you ever noticed that when you're in a hurry to enter your house, you will always end up dropping the keys? You will trip on something, you will forget the keys in the door and shut the door. All sorts of such things will happen when you're in a hurry. While on a normal day, you will end up doing this in half the time. The truth is that when you are in a rush, you are the least efficient. In fact, efficiency decreases as hurriedness increases. The more in a rush, the worse is your performance. Now, think about our lives. Aren't we always in a hurry? Rushing against time, living like we are a ticking time bomb and it's in our hands. How can we do anything well and effectively when rushing like this? We wake up and rush to get the kids ready for school or ourselves ready for work or college. We rush home after work. We rush to finish the projects. It's just crazy. We're constantly rushing. As your habit coach, I want you to be efficient in the ways you live your life. And I know that rushing will not get you there. This is a simple habit I learned from one of the most successful people that I know. It's simple. Learn to walk slow. Whenever you're going from one place to another, just walk slow. Walk like you don't have a care in the world. Walk like the whole world is waiting for you. And this habit will slow you down. Especially if you catch yourself rushing around and as a result, not putting your best self forward. So your simple habit for never being in a rush again starts by just walking slow. Walk like a king and queen. Walk like you're enjoying yourself. If my dad and I had walked slowly and hence moved efficiently, we would not have fumbled with the keys or banged into each other while entering the lift. We would have been more efficient. So remember, fast is slow and slow is fast.
So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashtin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME180. That's Awesome180.
Hey everybody, it's been a great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On The Wire Talk, Siddharth is joined by Nikhil Anand, an assistant professor at the University of Pennsylvania and an environmental anthropologist. They discuss his plan and proposals to the BMC to fight the effects of climate change that we are already seeing in Mumbai. In the podcast special on Storytellers and Storytellers, Vineet talks to the hosts of New Kids on the Block, Anya, Kavya, and Tarek, about what it's like to be Indian teenage podcasters. In the season 3 finale of Echoes of India, Anirudh explores South Asia at the time of its most famous ancient figure, Ashoka Maurya. On All Things Policy, Suyash and Aditya analyze the constant changes of China's generals in their liberation army and what it means for India. And on Smarter with Sid, learn from Siddharth how listening can help you make a better presentation. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. It really does help us. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors on the network this week, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quota, CoinSwitch, Kuber, and Inter vPro. Thank you so much for making this possible.
முன்ன ஒரு காலத்துலன்னு ஆரம்பிச்சு நம்ம தாத்தா பாட்டி சொல்ற கதை நம்ம யாருக்குமே மறக்காது. ஸ்டோரி டைம் தமிழ் அந்த பொன்னான காலத்துக்கு உங்களை மறுபடியும் கூட்டிக்கிட்டு போக போகுது. ஹாய், ஸ்டோரி டைம் தமிழ் பாட்காஸ்டுக்காக உங்களுடன் ரவிசங்கர் பாலச்சந்திரன். பொழுதுபோக்கு மட்டும் இல்லாம உங்க குழந்தைகளுக்கு நல்ல நெறிகளை கற்பனையுடன் கூடிய கதைகளாக வழங்க வருகிறது ஸ்டோரி டைம் தமிழ் பாட்காஸ்ட். ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் புதிய புதிய கதைகளை ஐவிஎம் இணையதளத்திலையும், ஐவிஎம் பாட்காஸ்ட் ஆப்லயும், யூடியூப்லயும், மத்த ஆடியோ தளங்களிலும் நீங்க கேட்கலாம்.